Why does my car hesitate when I press the accelerator? So an example would be if the fuel system is clogged. We're doing a GDI or gas direct injection fuel service here where it's cleaning the fuel system and it revs up on its own and actually pushes the cleaner through the injectors in the fuel area. Now, some other things, transmission. If your transmission is having issues, that can cause it where you go to accelerate and it feels like it's not accelerating. That's actually the transmission slipping. Okay, you can also have spark plug issues, fuel pump issues, sensors, mass airflow sensor could be dirty. There's a ton of reasons that vehicle is going to have a lack of acceleration or a hesitation upon acceleration. If you're having that issue, you definitely want to get it in before it gets worse because it can cause major issues down the road if it's not already doing that. So give us a call here at Cars R Us in the Chesney Park.
877 4277